Well, good morning, everybody. Oh, I overslept for sunrise. There's a tiny bit of pink I see. That's all you're gonna get this morning, sorry. I was still trying to find that waterfall. I just saw, what was that, a fox? Come back by again, little man. It looked like a red fox walking by right in front of where the waterfall is. Huh. Yeah, it's coffee time. I better go wake him up. We got stuff to do. Yeah, that little tiny bit of pink was it. Oh well. Off to Franklin. I like that Jeep a lot. I wonder why. Such a beautiful day for a drive to the mountains. Gorgeous. And thank you, sweetie. It's a lot prettier with a clear windshield. We just been down too many gravel roads. Corn also must grow good up here, because I just got rows and rows and rows and rows. That's great. This has got something kind of cool. Oh, look there. Stop for a second, sweetie. Isn't that just something? A water wheel. Well, heck yeah. You just never know what you're going to run across. Isn't this gorgeous? I know we're in the middle of the road. I don't care. It's beautiful here. Just another beautiful day in North Carolina. Okay. So this is Wayah, North Carolina. Elevation 5,342 feet. This is the view from the parking lot. Seriously. We're going to go climb the 53-foot stone fire tower. And it's supposed to give us 360-degree views. But this is the parking lot. that the tower? I bet that's the little tower we're going to. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Here we go. It's just another beautiful day in North Carolina. I tell you, I am blessed and thankful. Okay, and this is at the top of the tower. You can see the Great Smokey Mountains in Tennessee that way. And then the Georgia mountains on this side. It's incredible. I like the clouds. Absolutely incredible. I wonder where that path goes to. You're gonna carve our names in that thing?
I don't think I'm gonna do all that.
Oh, okay. So what you gonna carve?
I'm just gonna go carving. I don't know, maybe make like a grizzly bear or a red fox or something.
Oh, I see. So you can't carve initials, but you can carve animals.
Well, yeah, everybody else has done initials.
Oh, you want
names.
some different.
You put Alex on the board.
Alex is always on the board. Hadn't you learned that by now?
That one's gonna be fair. Oh,
The ever-changing view.
Sure, Dana. Sure, Dana.
What? Is the first one I said? Oh no, that's what I said. This is a good one. And the keeper right there. Ooh, that's funny.
If you guys like lean right here, it'll take the.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was mad when you kept telling us to scoot over.
Or this. Got the.
And we're back at the parking. And this is my one last look. I sure have had a wonderful day so far. Well, now we'll go to Franklin and get something to eat. One last look from inside the car in the air conditioning. Okay. That's pretty cool. We're on the way down the mountain. We saw this on the way up, but there was people, and I didn't want to deal with people. Welcome to Natala. Looks like those are the different type of ranger stations. But I thought this was cool. This is what caught my eye. My goodness. I do like old buildings. And look how they have everything just so nice and nestled under the trees. Help keep the house cool. Okay, I gotta stop. I'm bouncing. I'm excited. Gorgeous. Tell you what, there's such glare. Y'all might not even really be able to see what I'm looking at until I'm in the shade somewhere. Let's do that. Ooh, it's mushy here. We've had a lot of rain. See, that's what I was looking at. Isn't that cool? I mean, my goodness. Heck yeah. I'll get a picture of that. But I mean, it is really cool, isn't it? I gotta see the chimney. Too cool. It is so lush. When I walk, I'm sinking into the ground here. It's gorgeous. Got one at the kitchen too. Heck yeah. You see a lot of these type roofs up here high in the mountains because of snowfall. Have that odd pitch. I just got one more side. I can't help it. Oh, and the old lanches. I don't know. I like old buildings. I need to be looking where I'm going. Oh, that's the picture. Okay, we gotta get something to eat.